It's windy. Stop. Oh, there's some things.
Go. What is up, everybody? Not much here. So right now it's 4:18 p.m. at night. I came to pick her up from work as always, and we're just driving to my mom and dad's house to take them a case of water, and I smell maple syrup. And I'm like, Amber, dude, what did you eat with maple syrup? My car's all the way on hot and overheating and all this good jazz. This summer, I actually had the hose that plugs into my coolant with the cap up there. It broke or whatever, so I had it fixed, and it was completely off. And how do you feel about all this, babe?
Mad, it should not have broke.
Speaking of my leg, I do have my left leg, my non-surgical, has been majorly hurting me and hurting me and hurting me. Like, it's to the point where I don't even want DoorDash, so I haven't really been DoorDashing. Yeah, long story short, I'm gonna be getting surgery on it on December 16th.
Okay, you go into Five Below, I go into Bath and Body.
I love you.
I love you. Here's your wallet.
So what are you gonna get?
Hand soap.
Hand soap?
And whatever I want.
Are you gonna come over when you get done? So we're gonna go into Five Below for a little bit. See if there's anything kind of interesting. Hey babe, how are you?
Good. We went to Bath and Body.
And where did I go?
Five Below.
Did I get anything? Yes, I did get a few things from Five Below. Very bad store, my second bad store. That and Dollar General are my two bad stores. You can never take me to one because I'll always get something.
Like me with like Walmart or Sam's Club.
And they let me open it too. I wish this one would have been the one to overheat and stuff.
No! Because we're out of freaking power!
Why are we out of power?
What you said was because it is so windy that a tree fell on the power line. Our house, like Casey's, that's by our house, and probably a bunch of houses.
And Adam's work.
You know what I'm talking about, Jack Wagon.
I like the jacket you're wearing.
I stole it from you.
Who did it come from?
Flair, which thank you very much, because it is my jacket now. Hashtag beefcake jerky. Thank you, Flair, Banjo, Jake, and the whole entire team. We're out of power, and this is keeping me warm.
So live update, we just went to Casey's. They're back with power. They have a generator. Yeah, the registers are out, so that kind of blows. We are back in my car. They said nothing was wrong. It was just low on 2 quarts of antifreeze because the cord came unplugged or whatever. And tomorrow, we're actually going to go to the hockey game.
My car has headlights.
Yes, it was out. Tell them about it.
Yeah, my car had both headlights out because I told this one that he needed to watch a video on how to replace my freaking headlights. He ignores me. Then we got new headlights. After we drove home from his parents' with the high beams on. And then we talked to my dad, and my dad said go to an auto parts store and get headlights and having you replace them.
This is our Thanksgiving video, technically, so happy Thanksgiving to each and every one of you guys that are watching this video right now. Please smash the thumbs up button, comment down below, turn on the post bell notifications so you never miss a video.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving! Hi! Alright, what's up everybody? Not much here. So right now it's 3:03 p.m. We just left my mom and dad's house. We were seeing my mom for a little bit. Got word that our electricity is finally back on. Now I think we're just gonna stay indoors and relax because it's like 42 freaking degrees. When my car went to the shop last night, Amber made the comment, at least we had my car because it has electric start. But guess what? She did not have work today, so we didn't really need to use her electric start this morning. And on top of that, she left her keys in the car. So how does that work?
I'm cold.
Where are we at?
The hockey game.
And who did I get to meet?
Omaha player.
What's his name?
George.
Pearson, 2 minutes for a bench minor unsportsmanlike conduct. Unit Point St. Luke's gets you back in the game. Musketeers, 1 man down. Unit Point St. Luke's gets you back in the game. Musketeers, all strike.
I just fell.
Of course!
He's a polite heckler.
Be excited about that guy, Connor, coming to Sioux City.
He's our top beach bum coming to the game. Trent's chirps. He's got a huge following. He's a polite heckler. 107, Stanford makes some noise. It's the Central Bank Hormones home goal t-shirt toss.
So right now it would be 12:30 p.m. in the
Yes.
afternoon. Today would be Thanksgiving Day. So happy Thanksgiving to each and every one of you guys that are watching this video. Yes, I know we said that the other day, but last night we actually went to a hockey game that was filmed. It was on live TV and I actually wanted to get on live TV. So I went over to where they were shooting. Everybody that had local TV around us got to see me. And there was another mission why we went there last night too. To meet this guy named George. He's a hockey player, and if you guys all know who Dan Dog 44 is on YouTube, if not, go subscribe to him. Anyways, it's one of his buddies that used to live with him and stuff like that. Now he's playing around my hometown, which is cool. So Danny let me know about it, and he was like, hey, can you try to meet him somehow? And I'm like, yeah, I got you. And last night I actually met him, and it was a good game, even though his team didn't win. Are you ready for the turkey?
We're not having turkey.
I thought today's Thanksgiving.
We're having turkey at yours. There's no turkey, there's no mashed potato, there's no deviled egg, there's none of that.
I'm really confused. Why?
Because we have Syrian food because we're Lebanese.
What's up, everybody? Right now, it's snowing. So we're taking Amber's car because the Dodge is like a sled. Actually has electric start. That's why I'm not driving the Dodge.
Hi guys, I am off work. I just got off and we are on our way home. And then we're maybe going to a friend's house to hang out. The roads are covered in snow. We haven't seen any plows. Yeah, all I saw was an ice truck plow thing at my work.
So right now it's 7:02 p.m. at night. Amber and myself just got back home. Weather is very bad, so we're just gonna stay inside
And have a jammy day tomorrow.
We're probably gonna go and play some video games and whatnot. We're dum-dums and it's snowing.
And we're walking down to our house. Seriously, you guys saw that. Why are you aiming for your car? You're aiming for me, you jackass. Yes, you are. You just got that all over me.
Did the snow get all over you?
Yes.
Where are we at?
Home.
Why do we have a TV right there?
I'm brushing my hair in the bathroom.
We're in the bathroom and you have a TV in your bathroom. Why do you have a TV in your bathroom?
When I'm taking a poo, I can watch TV.
You're a weirdo.
You're the one who put it in here, and you don't know how to freaking aim.
I know how to aim some stuff, don't I?
Yes.
And what does the sign say behind you?
Enter if you dare.
Yeah, that's right. Especially when you're going what?
Poop.
I just want to get back on here and cut this video out. I think this is it. You guys got to see some snow footage. You guys got to hear about pooping. I don't even know where this vlog is going to go. Happy Thanksgiving once again for all of you guys. We love you guys.
And Iowa won! They beat Nebraska's butt.
So if you guys are new, please do like this video. Turn on the post bell notification so you never miss a video. And
comment positive vibes.